welcome to lesson 5, which is our first of 5 lessons where we're going to look at different types of ad extensions, starting with site links. So what's a site link? Well, you can see from the ad image on the right hand side of the screen, highlighted in the red box is site links. In this case, 2, and you can see that they are separated with a hyphen in the middle of the 2. So get a quote now, like for like price match. So a site link is blue text, blue links underneath the main body of your ad. You normally only get to show a site link when your ad is in the top 3 positions on the left hand side of the page, as this ad is here. A couple of things you need to know about site links that apply to all extensions. Firstly, there is no cost. Google do not charge extra for any extension at all. So think of them as free bonuses when you create your ad. Also, they are not guaranteed to show. Google uses algorithms to determine A, whether to show a site link or any extension, and B, how many to show. And it depends on your ad quality, your quality score in reference to other advertisers, and whether their data set indicates that ad extensions are likely to increase performance or not. So understand that we can create them, we can do all the setup work, we cannot guarantee how many site links will show at all, or any extension for that matter. So I'm not going to repeat that in every single session about extensions. The same rules apply. There is no cost and no guarantee. So as you can see here, it's underneath the main ad. You've got up to 25 characters per link, the same as an ad headline. And there's a rule. Each link has to go to a different page. So you can't just take the site, use them to put 6 links in there, all going back to a main landing page where you've got some good optimized copy. So you have to bear that in mind. If you're using a site link, if you've only got one really good page to send traffic to, then if you send them to other pages, there's a chance you're going to leak traffic out of your process. So bear that in mind. Normally, done well, they will always improve performance, but just consider that you need good quality pages to send traffic to. So how and why do we use them? Well, we use them because it makes the ad larger, it's more likely to be clicked, and we can use secondary calls to action. So if we look at this first ad here, just going back a page, get a quote now is a really strong call to action that's used in the site link. A like-for-like price match is a great call to action. If you look at the way this particular advertiser is using it, the first site link is for people who want to get a price directly. The second one is being used for somebody who's already got a quote from a competitor who they're trying to convert to this particular vendor. It's really well done. They're using the main body of their ad copy instead to build branding, expert reinforcement messages in there. If you look at the actual main body of their ad, it's all about 730,000 happy customers. Number 1, buy now, pay later, 10-year guarantee. It's all about reinforcing quality and safety in that brand, and they're using the site links as their primary calls to action. Now, to do that strategy, you've got to be really confident your site links are going to show, but they're a huge brand. They know that their site links are going to show the overwhelming majority of the time, so they can afford to take that chance. So, the other thing you can do with this is you can use it to segment your audience. Let's think about a hotel example. If you are advertising for, say, a hotel in London, then you'll be advertising your location, your service level, unique features about your hotel in the ad copy itself. But if someone's looking to book a hotel, say in London for a weekend, you have no idea whether they're there for a meeting, for a conference, for a romantic break. You don't know why they're looking for that hotel. All you know is they want a hotel in London. So use site links. So you could put a site link that says, romantic break, book here. Meeting rooms, book here. Business travelers, click here. So you can identify who people are. Once you see the proportion of those site links that get clicked and their relative performance between one another, then you can use that data to better target your ad copy. So it's a really good segmentation technique. So let's have a look as to how we actually do this. It's really straightforward. So I'm going to go into the interface now. So you get to site links in any campaign by clicking into the campaign itself and then clicking this tab that said Add Extensions. You choose the type of extension that you're interested in from this drop down menu here, which will give you an option from all the different types of extensions that you have. So as you can see here in this campaign, there are already 4 site links that are set up. And you can see they're quite different messages that we've used for this particular campaign. To create another one, click on plus extension. Scroll down. If you've already got some here, it will ask you if you want to edit an existing one. I'm going to click on new site link. I'm going to give it some text. Give it a URL, and I'll just pick one here at random. Get rid of the preceding HTTP. Now, with site links, you can choose if these are mobile preferred or if these are all devices. For site links, in most cases, you want to put them on all devices. And you can, if you wish, add a description. Now, the description appears underneath the main body of the site link. But we found in our experiments, they rarely show. And when we have seen them showing, it's not made a great deal of difference to performance. So write them if you've got something compelling to say and you have the time to do that. No problem at all with that. If you haven't, don't worry about it. It's not going to really overwhelmingly harm your performance. You can, if you wish, set some advanced options. So if you're running a promotion, for example, you could put start dates and end dates on it. You can schedule the timing of it if you want it to be different to your regular ads. So you could see, let's say, imagine you're a restaurant. You could create a schedule that says, see our early bird, early evening pricing for for 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. So early diners get an extra discount, something like that. If you're using mobile, you can use a different mobile URL. And you can, if you wish, use some custom tracking parameters. I'm not going to cover custom tracking parameters in this training. There is a separate session on those where we'll deal with tracking parameters as a separate exercise. The same rules will apply to any kind of tracking. So click on save. That's it done. That's added. So that's all you need to do to add site links. I strongly recommend add at least 4, preferably 4 to 6. When you've added them, you will see on the site link screen, you'll see performance reports so you can see how they're actually doing, whether they're making your ads better or worse. So with that said, go into your account and create some site links if you've got relevant content to send your visitors to. If you haven't, you might want to go and create some good pages. Bye for now.